Good morning, student. In last lecture, we start the problem number 3 of Handle accounts of banking company. Today, we are carrying the same problem and discuss on the rest adjustment. So, this is the problem, okay? And we already transfer whole trial balance into the profit and loss account and balance sheet. Similarly, we finish the adjustment number 1, adjustment number 2, adjustment number 3, and adjustment number 4 is remaining now. So provide rupees 9,000 for taxation reserve. So this is the adjustment. Okay, it is also transferred. Okay, there are two effects of provision for taxation. Effect number 1, it is transferred to schedule number 5, that is other liabilities provision for taxation, and second effect, it is transferred into profit and loss account under the heading expenditure. Okay, this is the provision. Now times to close the profit and loss account. So total first, schedule number 3, 1,39,500. Schedule number 14 is nil. Then interest expended, schedule number 15 is 56,250, and 16, 67,500. There are two provision for taxation and RDD, 9,000 plus 3,375, 12,375. So this is the total first, 1,39,500, and this is the total second, that is 1,36,125. 1,36,125. So total first minus total second is the current year profit. So 1,39,500 minus 1,36,250 25. What is the current year profit? Send me answer in chat box. 1,39,500 minus 1,36,125. So profit figure is 3,375. Okay, this is the current year profit. This is the current year profit. Now, so the totaling of part 3 is 20,250 plus 3,375. What is the total? 20,250 plus 3,375. So 23,625 is the total profit. Now appropriation. There are two types of appropriation here. One already we taken, interim dividend paid, which is given in the trial balance. That's why there is only one effect of interim dividend paid. If there is any provision, then there should be two effect. One included or deduct from the appropriation in the profit and loss account, and second, it is one type of liability, so it is transferred under the schedule number 5, that is other liabilities and provision. So statutory reserve. So 20% of current year profit. What is current year profit? 3,375. 3,375 multiplied by 20%. So only, yes, 675. 675 is the current year profit. and interim dividend paid is rupees 19,125. So out of total profit 23,625, this is the appropriation. We kept aside 20% starter reserve from the current year profits. So that's why it is transfer under the heading, under the schedule number 2, that is reserve and surplus. See here, reserve fund opening balance and transfer starter reserve fund 20%. So deduct from total profit and add in the reserve and surplus. So this is the figure of, yes, 2,81,250 plus 675. So total reserve fund is rupees 2,81,925. Okay, and 23,625 is the total profit, and out of 23,625, this is the appropriation. That's why from 23,625 this is the total. आणि ह्या आउट ऑफ प्रॉफिट मधून 23,625 मधून आपण काय काय वजा केलं, 625 स्टार्टर रिझर्व्हला ट्रान्सफर केले आणि 19,125 इंटरिम डिव्हिडंडला, ते दोन वजा करून टाकायचे त्यातनं. 675 आणि 19,125. सो remaining balance is rupees 3,825. Okay, this is the profit in balance in profit and loss account, and it is transferred to the schedule number 3. Sorry, schedule number 2, reserve and surplus. Balance in profit and loss account. Balance in profit and loss account 3,825. Now profit and loss account is closed, and we need to close the all schedules regarding balance sheet. So schedule number 1 total is rupees 5,62,500. Then schedule number 2, yes, 3,825 plus 2,81,000, 2,85,750. Okay, then schedule number 3, deposits. What is the total of deposits? 3,39,375. Okay, then schedule number 4, nil. Okay, schedule number 4, nil. See, nil. Then schedule number 5, 10,125. Okay. Now schedule number 6, 2000, 2,13,750. Then balance with bank, money at call and short notice. Number 7, 90,000. Then investment. Yes, what is total of investment? 5,06,250. Then advances. Yes, total of advances of rupees 2,92,500. Fixed asset 86,250, and current asset 9,000. And contingent liability is nil. There is no contingent liabilities in the present problem. Okay, nil. Now just totaling the liabilities side. 11,97,750. It is matched with asset side or not? See, there is any difference between liabilities and liability assets, or okay, match the both figure. Okay, any doubts? No. Okay, should I stop here? Okay.